Phuket Town tour. Hello everyone, we are in Phuket Town in Thailand, and we just had lunch in one of these restaurants, and we are going back to our bus to go back to our hotel. And you can see that this looks different than other Thai, like in other cities or places in Phuket. So, thank you. So this has the old town charm, and I think the buildings are here 100 to 150 years old, but this is slightly far from places like Kata, Karon, but some people choose to live here, but we are staying in Kata. So we're heading to our bus, which is supposed to be in front of Starbucks.
Finish eating, right?
Yeah, finish eating. So we're trying to go back to the Starbucks.
Yeah.
That's
Which
the
way?
meeting
Which
point.
way?
Inside.
Oh, inside? Okay. I was going straight.
Yeah, going there.
I was about to go
They
straight.
are coming.
They're coming. Oh, hello.
I think they find somewhere. I think
Whoa.
this is a spot for the...
Instagram. For picture. So it's a beautiful place to take pictures. People are taking pictures here a lot.
taking pictures for...
Excuse me. Now it's 12:15. The bus is come already.
The bus is coming.
Starbucks cannot order
This-
long queue.
Oh, we cannot order.
Not Chinese inside.
This place looks like Singapore.
Singapore?
Yeah.
I
This.
told you the building similar.
Oh, you
But
told
the
me.
product not the same.
Okay. Okay.
It
Yeah.
looks like Singapore.
Yeah. It looks like Singapore.
Not only Singapore, Malacca and Penang.
Oh, Penang. Okay.
Malacay.
Penang. Yeah. Malaysia.
Okay guys, so just more information. So this place here, okay, it looks like similar like Singapore.
So they didn't eat there at the restaurant? They ate somewhere else?
They eat somewhere else.
Oh, they didn't
I
like
think
it.
they didn't like
Yeah, their service is bad too.
it. Yeah, it's like bad service. That's why if you give them
Tip?
are you recording?
Yeah, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, yeah. She didn't offer the drink. I was saying what drinks, and she said I have to go outside to get mango drink.
Mango. No, because they don't have mango.
Yeah, but they had other drinks. She didn't offer.
I think they are tired, because sometimes if you are feeling so hot,
Yeah,
and
that's
then
could be.
you don't want to do so many things, right?
Yeah.
That's why I think that lady was
Hello.
very very helpful.
Yeah. Oh, there's a huge temple in front. Not sure what's the name, but there's so many temples here. Oh, okay. Wait. You gotta cross the street. Come on. Okay. So we're able to cross the street, and we are leaving Phuket Town right now.